In this video, we will understand why we should use Azure SQL. Azure SQL provides many advanced features to its users. Now, let's see some of them. Azure SQL is fully managed SQL database, automated updates, provisioning, and backups so you can focus on application development. Microsoft handles all patching and updating of the SQL and operating system code. You don't have to manage the underlying infrastructure. Flexible and responsive serverless compute and hyperscale storage happily adapt to your changing requirements. Layers of protection, building controls, and intelligent threat detection keep your data secure. Building AI and high availability, maintain peak performance and durability with an SLA of up to 99.995%. Azure SQL Database is based on the latest stable version of the Microsoft SQL Server Database engine. You can use advanced query processing features such as high-performance memory technologies, intelligent query processing. In fact, the newest capabilities of SQL Server are released first to SQL Database and then to SQL Server itself. You get the newest SQL Server capabilities with no overhead for patching or upgrading, tested across millions of databases. Advanced data security, which you can enable cryptographic verification, remediate potential threats in real time with intelligent threat protection, and you can protect your data with always encrypted technology. There are many other benefits to using Azure SQL. So if you would like to know more information, click in the link below in the video description.